Stop chasing. Look, it's Marcel, aka Honey Bunny Sunny, and you know I'm on a mission to make you some money. Listen, today the market is not. It's not really like it's early. Like I actually just hopped off of the live trading call with the group, the Prosperity Collective, and I told them I was like, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and call it a day because there were a few weird things that were happening in the market. Right, we got, for one, the stocks were moving super slow. Right, you got a lot of stocks that gapped up and then they literally just kind of hit like a stalemate, right? They just froze. And we got wide spreads in between, different prices for these stocks. A lot of consolidation. It's just not a good trade. And then on top of that, we got Webull, Robinhood, and even Thinkorswim earlier were having just technical difficulty. So when you see stuff like that, y'all, it's just, you got to just chalk it up to like, okay, today's not a good day to trade. You got to know when it's a good day to trade and when it's not. And today's one of them joints when it wasn't. Straight up. So I'm watching the market right now. Like, I'm not really seeing it. I got, I had Baba on my watch list. I still like Baba to the downside as it's sitting in an order block. That may be something that I take and swing. Okay, let's do this. I'm actually looking at Baba on the 30-minute. If it can hold structure, and I'm not screen recording this, so y'all can't see this, but I'm drawing a trend line. If Baba can hold structure, I would swing this. So if Baba could hold structure, matter of fact, do I have my phone? Yes, I do. So I'm just going to record this and maybe I'll put this in here. I'll put this in the video. So I got the trend line drawn right here. And if Baba can hold structure, right? If it can hold this, then that might not be a bad entry, right? The next failure of this trend line is also in an order block. It's also below the VWAP. 3 confluences, we could be coming down as far as this green order block right here, this bullish order block. So we talking about, it's sitting at what, about 167? This thing could come down minimum 164, possibly as low as about 162, 163. So yeah, there's a lot of room there. There's a lot of room on Baba, which was on my watch list. So I'm going to be looking for, for possible entries in that. That's all I got. I just wanted to hop on here and just kind of like show y'all, what I was looking at, but also just to let you know, like, there are some days where it's just not going to be a good time to trade. And today's one of those days. You may find one few and far between. Things may heat up a little bit later. But there's some real funny stuff going on right now in the market, and I can't quite put my finger on exactly what it is. But it's best that when there's weird stuff that you don't understand happening, that you just keep your hands off, right? Nobody's putting a gun to your head and forcing you to trade. You can always just say, you know what? Not right now. If you don't see something that you recognize or something that is like, wow, that's a really good play, you don't have to take it. Like, that is a lot of people don't understand. A lot of people are programmed to be like, I gotta make money today. It's like, you don't have to take a trade. The same way with anything in life, right? The things that you gain weight, you don't have to, nobody's telling you to put that food in your mouth, right? There's so many things that we just do that we don't have to. I'm not gonna get in a soapbox, but yeah, I just wanted to come and drop that on y'all today, man. Hope y'all had a successful trading day. Hope you made great decisions, didn't lose money. And I will see you guys in the next one. Remember, invest smart, live free. Peace.